In my life, I have sometimes issues that I don't know how to resolve. Sometimes I feel, perhaps especially during this age of technological advancement, where the whole world gets to know something with a tweet or with a little message on one of those platforms that you have of social media, and at times it's a lie, it's a fabrication, it's a rumor about you, about anyone else, about myself, and it becomes such that you shake your head and you don't even know what are you supposed to do. No matter how much you may have or you may try to answer, people perhaps may not understand, they may not believe, they may not understand, they may not believe. Maryam alayha salatu wassalam was instructed to remain silent because you know what? Only the Almighty could solve that for her, nobody else. I learned from that silence is golden at times. Golden. Sometimes the matter you are facing is too big. Leave it for the Almighty to manage for you, to deal for you, to deal with for you. You know what? At times, time will heal the wound. Time will tell what is right and wrong. You may not be able to resolve a crisis by your doing. You need divine intervention. You need the Almighty to come in. People may accuse you. They may say things about you. Don't worry, the Almighty is there. Part of the divine legacy that we have. Learning from this female mentioned in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told her, don't worry, we will take care of you. You just keep quiet. If anyone comes to you, just point towards the child. Say, I'm not speaking today. It's not me. The Almighty is going to clear my name. Many of us, in fact, almost all of us in this day and age, people will say adverse things about us. It's normal. It's okay. They may. The test is for both of us. The one who is speaking is being tested and failing the test. And the one who is spoken about is being tested and can convert that into an act of worship if they were to engage in something known as sabr. Sabr meaning bear patience, don't become despondent. There are people with greater struggles than you and I. We've just seen the brothers and sisters across the globe with the suffering. Many of us have reached deep into our pockets to assist. Others have perhaps said a prayer. Because remember, it doesn't mean that if you couldn't assist financially, that you have not assisted. You can assist even through a prayer. You can assist even by conscientizing others, by raising awareness. Subhanallah, may Allah grant us an understanding. So the Almighty will always take care of you. When Allah tells us something, at times, because of our weakness, we tend to feel, you know what? I don't know if this is going to work.